God has given us a gift of 86,400 seconds in a day. Have you taken out one to say thank you? There's this quote on gratitude that I stumbled upon some time ago and it stuck with me. And the quote says that gratitude makes what we have enough. When I read that quote, I didn't understand it, but right now, with how far I've come in life, I've come to understand the importance of gratitude. Today, we're going to explore a simple yet very powerful tool that can improve our mindset and transform our well-being. I'm talking about how to start a gratitude journal. In our busy lives, it's very easy for us to focus on what we lack and what is going wrong. But shifting our entire focus to what we are grateful for can bring not just happiness, but also bring positivity and contentment. So hi there, my name is Jenny UKPAI and you're welcome to the channel. If you know you want to learn how to start your gratitude journal, or you have an experience in journaling, but you've never really taken gratitude as an important part of your life, this video is for you, because together we're going to be sharing tips and learning new tips that will take us to the next level of our lives. Guys, I'm sure we are ready to get our gratitude journey started. So the first thing to do in trying to start your gratitude journal is to pick a comfortable journal. Pick a method that you like. Choose any method that you like. If you like digital method or you like the analog method, which is just writing with your hands, that's fine. It's perfect. Choose any method that works for you. Next thing you want to do is to set a regular time. It can be any time you're comfortable with. It could be in the morning when you wake up, or it could be at night before you go to bed. But pick a regular time that you're going to stick to, because this would help you just build the habit. And if you do this for 21 days, like I heard that it takes 21 days to form a habit. So if you're able to pull through for 21 days, then you know that you've already formed this habit. So just pick any time that works for you. It could be morning, it could be afternoon, whatever works for you is fine. But make sure you stick to that regular time that you have chosen for yourself. Next thing is to start small and simple. You can start from just one thing you are grateful for today. It could be 2, 3, 5, between 1 and 5. Just start small and very simple. Don't get overwhelmed. Don't overthink it. It could just be from as tiny as, I am grateful for being alive today. That's 1. I am grateful for good health today. That's 2. I'm grateful because I didn't lose anybody close to me today. That's 3. I am grateful for eating, for finding food to eat. That's 4. 5. I'm grateful for going out and coming in safely. I've given us 5 things that we don't even understand how deep those things are. But some people go out and they don't come back. Some don't even have food to eat. Some people are just going through a lot. But you have 5 things to be grateful for. So you can start from 1, but make sure you start from just 1, between 1 and 5. Start small and simple. It would help you on this journey. The next thing is to reflect on your why. Like I said earlier, 5 things that you're going to pick. When you reflect on why you are thankful, it would help you to increase your entries. It should just help you to increase the things that you are writing down, because reflection has a way of bringing some things to our realization, or we just realize some things while you reflect. If you're just sitting and just going about it like that, you might not get anything. But reflect on the why. Why are you grateful? If you're able to answer that question, trust me, you will definitely have something to be grateful for. So when you feel overwhelmed, when you feel like nothing is going good, when you feel like everything is just going wrong and you probably lack a lot of things, I think you should shift your focus and reflect on your why. This way, gratitude will be very easy and your journal will definitely not be empty. The next thing is to mix it up. You can mix it up. You can break your journal down into different parts. You can say, okay, for experiences, for my small wins, for people, for anything, work. You can just break it down, mix it up, make it fun for you. Design it anyhow you want to design it. Make it fun, but mix it up. Don't keep it boring. All right. So it's your journal. Anything you write is for you. It's not for anybody. So anyhow you're going to make it interesting and enjoyable, please go ahead and do it. Next thing to note is to stay consistent but flexible. So if you miss a day, it's fine. I just want us to know that this journey is about progress, not perfection. You all know that over here we do progress over perfection. So if you miss a day, it's fine. Just know that tomorrow you can always pick it up and continue the day after tomorrow, and like that. But stay consistent. Try as much as possible to stay consistent. Don't give unnecessary excuses. So be flexible. You can also have it. I always subscribe to having a journal on your phone, because that way most of us are with our phones 24/7. We're always with our phones. So it's easier to just stay consistent with it, because when you just remember something, you can go to your notes and just type, Lord, I am grateful for this, or oh, I am grateful for that. Do you understand? So you might not be able to carry your book, your physical journal everywhere you're going to, but also have a copy on your phone. That's what I think, and it has worked for me. Now, the last tip on this journey is to revisit and reflect. Now, when you revisit your journal and you reflect on it, you would see how far you have grown. You will see everything. At that point, you'll probably be able to count your blessings and name them one by one. So it would encourage you, to keep you pumped, to keep you motivated, because you will see everything. Sometimes what you don't write down, you don't know. You probably will just forget. It's just like expenses too. When you're spending so much money and you don't have it written anywhere, you probably don't know how much you have spent. But the moment you have it written down somewhere, and by chance you stumble on that expenses sheet, something in your head will just make you feel like, how? How did I spend this money? The same thing applies to this. When you write something down and by chance you go back to it, you revisit it and you reflect on it, this one is even a positive thing, because it will help your positivity and your contentment. So revisiting and reflecting on your entire journal keeps you pumped and keeps that habit going, so you'll be able to continue it. So I hope that with these few tips, we'll be able to begin our gratitude journey, and we'll keep a gratitude journal, because what God has done for us, we cannot talk about it enough. You have to write it down. We are busy, things are going really bad, you don't see any reason why you should be thankful. But if you have something that you have written down that takes you back to what God has done in the past and what He's still doing, trust me, it will be easy to just stay afloat and keep giving thanks even when things are not going as planned. We have come to the end of this wonderful video, and if you watched it up until this point, thank you. I love you. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you. Please leave your comments. Leave your comments in the comment section. Share something with me. Have you started this journey? Are you going to start it? Do you need an accountability partner? Just let me know. Are you starting your gratitude journal? Let me know in the comment section. Until I come your way next time. Bye.